We have some major things to talk about in Oklahoma weather today, as we have a storm system moving in this weekend with rain and snow chances. I will go over all of that in this video today. So first, let's just go over this. Yesterday was a record high Christmas for Oklahoma City. We saw 6 degrees higher than 2016, the older record. So this now makes it the hottest Christmas in Oklahoma history, aka Torchmas. So let's start with this. With this trough in California causing severe weather and pouring rain in much of the southern part of the state, this is going to begin to move off west into the U.S., where it will kick in that cold front and sort of push it south into Oklahoma. That's where we will begin to see colder weather, and it will ignite some storms. Like I said, this will sort of just push the cold weather into our state. As you see, this is around Sunday, where as soon as that trough kicks in, it begins to push the colder weather up from the Dakotas, Nebraska, and Iowa down into Oklahoma, Mexico, Missouri. So it'll begin to push colder weather down into the southern U.S., where this will be some much needed relief from a warm winter. With all of these elements coming together, we will begin to see storms start to ignite in Oklahoma, as Guyman and most of the panhandle, you guys might see some snow as these storms will begin to ignite in western Oklahoma, and it will begin to push off east, where most of the state will possibly see severe thunderstorms. Along with those rain chances, we could see some mixed precip and maybe some flurries as these temperatures just plummet as this cold front moves in through Oklahoma. As you can see, temperatures get as low as 32, maybe freezing temperatures in Oklahoma. As you can see, with the cold front moving through, it just begins to lower our temperatures and give us a relief to this summer-like winter. And finally, this is the precip totals. If you are in central and western Oklahoma, you have the highest chance to see a 1/10 of an inch. Now, these totals are not set in stone, as we are still a long way from this event. There's still 2 days. Things can change. But right now, what we're seeing is that western and central Oklahoma have the highest chance to receive a 1/10 of an inch. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching the forecast. And as always, if you like this, make sure you show your support. It's been hard to upload videos, but now with this new setup, I plan to release weekly videos and forecasts for what could happen in Oklahoma weather. Thank you and goodbye.